I'd like to ask business owners, are your people important to you? And of course, they're going to say that their people are important to them. Then the next question I'd love to ask, do your people feel like they're important to the organization?
The best way to be successful is to have the right people in the right jobs and give them the tools they need to be successful.
Sometimes there's this rift or perceived rift between leadership and the employee population. And so one thing that Smart HR does and that I've been successful with is to come in and sort of help translate that communication between employees and the leadership to help build a stronger relationship.
I was working at a prior organization and we were working with a lot of small business clients, and we were realizing while our call center and our people would ask to talk to the HR director or HR manager, it was becoming a dead end because they didn't have that position on staff. I thought of the idea strictly based on seeing the need with those clients.
I look at Smart HR as a force multiplier for us. They're part of the team. They are really about taking care of us.
When you're a budget of our size, you're constantly looking to do more with less. Smart HR is exactly that. It was a smart solution for HR for us that enabled us to get professional services at a level we couldn't otherwise afford.
A lot of these organizations that we work at probably wouldn't have a full-time HR person or even a part-time HR person of the background experience and the caliber that we have at Smart HR.
I think the most important thing that we do in HR is fair and equitable treatment of employees. It's probably the most important thing.
When you're trying to run a business, my focus needs to be on our customer. I love our people. They know that, but I can't be listening to all the things they need and still get back to my customer. So having her here to do that is a really good asset.
That's what's really important, is becoming not only a trusted advisor to leadership team, but also somebody that the employees get to know and trust.
Having an expert on your staff allows you to really make sure that you take care of your folks, but you're also in compliance with all the pieces that you need to be, and that's very helpful for us.
All of our consultants are senior level HR professionals. They've all been generalists, they've been managers, they've been human resources business partners, some of them have been directors, and now they're bringing all of that expertise to our clients as a consultant.
When you do get introduced to a new client, sometimes they don't know what they need. A lot of times you have to tell them what they need. They know they need help, but they don't know where they need help.
We kind of look for where there might be gaps between what is happening and what should be happening, or what the best practices are, and then we provide a path forward on how to close that gap.
And they appreciate you. You are their sort of HR person. You're making their business operate smoother, and their employees are happier because they're getting a lot of their needs met because you're there.
People are spending their best hours of their life at work. We want that time to be really valuable. We want that to be a really good experience for people. If people are charged up to go to work, feel like they're valued, and feel like they're important, those are going to be the organizations that do really well.